Hey everybody, Jim King with King Piers, and we're out here in Garden City, Missouri. What we have here is a stone foundation renovation. We're going to come in here and rub all with wire brushes and rub all the loose mortar and stuff off all these walls from top to bottom. We're going to clean up all the debris. Down here where you see these vertical support beams here, we're going to saw cut the floor. We'll put temporaries in here, but we'll saw cut the floor, dig that jackhammer it, dig it down 2 feet, and pour a 2x2, 2 foot thick footing. And these, it'll be about 6 areas total. But for right now, we're going to just get her cleaned up and get all the walls free of all the debris, and then we'll come in here and start doing our renovations. So stay tuned as we progress out here, King Piers in Garden City. For all your foundation piering needs, I believe that King Piers is by far the very best at what we do. If your building is sinking or your home is sinking, call us. We have a non-invasive way to raise your house every time, guaranteed. I don't care if your house is sinking 6 inches, we guarantee to make it level. Nobody else can do that. Give us a call, 816-288-4373. Go to our website, kingpiers.com. Check us out on Facebook. And last but not least, our YouTube channel is very important to us. Give us a thumbs up and a subscribe. Thank you.